A few years ago, we at ASI produced a series of videos on common aircraft insurance claims, and we found that pilots were making some costly and pretty avoidable mistakes. To quickly sum up, we found that common insurance claims included loss of control on the ground, hard landings, prop strikes, and gear up landings and gear collapses. You can click the link in the description below to check out these previous videos. That brings us to today. We've analyzed additional claims, and we found a few more areas where pilots are still screwing up. Number 1, starting the engine with the tow bar attached. Ouch, that hurts. In addition to your normal pre-flight walk-around, consider doing a second walk-around right before you strap in and start the engine. If you trip over something, it was probably the tow bar. Number 2, taxiing into a light pole, a fuel pump, a vehicle, or the wing of another aircraft. Stay aware and give yourself plenty of turning space when taxiing. If you're in a really tight spot, it's best to shut down, hop out of the aircraft, and push it manually. Get someone else to help spot the wings and tail if you need. Number 3, pushing the aircraft so far into the hangar that the tail impacts the rear wall. Look, we know you've been hitting the gym a lot recently, but there's no need for an unnecessary show of strength here. Consider marking a spot on the hangar floor where the mains or nose wheel will stop with adequate clearance. Number 4, leaving large objects leaning against the hangar wall, such as ladders, which can fall onto the aircraft. Is this a hangar or a Home Depot? Unless you want to clean up on aisle 3, keep these things stowed in a secure position. Number 5, not being cognizant of prop blast. Look, everyone wants to look like they're in a shampoo commercial, but they probably don't want to get there by way of your prop blast. Plus, it has the potential to damage things. Be courteous and be aware of what's behind you at all times, and know where your prop or jet blast is directed. All of these mishaps fall into the camp of completely avoidable, but unfortunately, they continue to happen far too often and have a negative impact on the economics which drive the insurance market and the rates we pay. The goal of watching this video is to keep yourself insurable as a pilot, reduce the chance of a claim, and do your part to help reduce overall industry claims and therefore costs.